Did you know that when whales die, their carcasses can pose significant logistical and safety challenges? Today, we uncover the explosive truth about what happens to these gentle giants after they perish. So, welcome to our channel, where we explore the most astonishing phenomena of the natural world. Whales play an important role in our marine ecosystems, but their deaths introduce a new phase in the environmental life cycle. When a whale's life ends, its body undergoes a series of changes that can lead to unexpected and dangerous situations. Annually, thousands of whales die, with many of them washing ashore. These incidents not only create a spectacle, but also pose serious risks to both marine life and humans. The process of decay and explosion. Upon death, a whale's internal organs start decomposing, generating gases like methane. Due to the thick blubber and tough skin of whales, these gases cannot escape easily, building pressure within the carcass. This buildup can lead to a phenomenon as startling as it is hazardous: exploding whale carcasses. The explosion is not merely a spectacle, it poses real dangers. Fragments of the whale's body can be projected over large distances, creating not only a mess, but also a potential hazard to bystanders. This issue is so severe that marine biologists often have to slice into the decomposing blubber to release gas and prevent an explosion. However, even this precautionary measure can trigger an explosion during the process, as was documented in a shocking incident that became viral online. Historical incidents of whale explosions. One of the most notorious cases of a whale explosion occurred in Florence, Oregon, USA in 1970. Local authorities, tasked with disposing of a 45-foot, 8-ton sperm whale carcass that had washed ashore, decided to use dynamite. The rationale was simple: break the massive whale into smaller pieces to facilitate scavengers like seagulls in consuming it more quickly. However, this man-made intervention led to a catastrophic outcome. The explosion was significantly more powerful than anticipated. Instead of disintegrating into manageable pieces, large chunks of whale flesh and blubber were catapulted into the air, raining down on shocked spectators, nearby cars and properties, causing extensive damage and posing serious public safety risks. This event was captured on video and widely publicized, serving as a bizarre and stark lesson in the unpredictability and potential dangers of mishandling whale carcasses with unconventional methods. It underscored the critical need for a deeper understanding of the biological and chemical processes involved in the decomposition of such large marine animals. Another notable incident occurred in Tainan City, Taiwan, in 2004, when a 60-ton sperm whale carcass exploded while being transported through the city. The buildup of gas from decomposition was so great that it caused the whale's belly to burst, spilling blood and entrails across the street, covering cars and pedestrians, and necessitating an extensive cleanup operation. These incidents highlight the challenges and dangers posed by decomposing whale carcasses and illustrate the necessity for scientifically sound methods in the management and disposal of these massive animals. The science behind the explosion. Whale carcasses are known to explode due to the accumulation of gases during decomposition, a process that is both fascinating and complex. When a whale dies and its carcass begins to decompose, bacteria in the gut start an intense activity. These bacteria break down the proteins, fats, and other organic compounds found in the whale's soft tissues. The breakdown of these materials results in the production of various gases, predominantly methane and hydrogen sulfide. The skin and blubber of a whale are specially adapted to withstand the immense pressures of deep-sea diving, which also means they are incredibly thick and resilient. This adaptation, while advantageous in life, poses unique challenges in death. As decomposition gases build up, the whale's skin acts like a robust pressure vessel. Over time, the amount of gas inside the carcass increases, steadily raising the internal pressure to critical levels. Without any natural means for these gases to escape, the internal pressure can eventually surpass the tensile strength of the whale's skin and blubber. When this happens, the containment provided by the skin is breached explosively, releasing gases and decomposed tissues forcefully. This sudden release not only scatters debris but can also be hazardous to any nearby wildlife or humans. Safety measures and modern techniques. Given the risks associated with exploding whale carcasses, marine biologists and disposal teams have developed safer, more scientifically sound methods of dealing with such situations. Nowadays, when a whale carcass is found, A team of experts assesses the state of decomposition to determine the safest approach to disposal. If there is a risk of explosion, controlled cuts are made into the carcass to release gases in a controlled manner. This method prevents unexpected explosions and ensures the safety of both the disposal team and the public. Moreover, in situations where the carcass cannot be safely disposed of on site, it may be towed back to sea where it can decompose naturally without posing a threat to human safety or coastal environments. This approach also supports the marine ecosystem, as the decomposing whale body provides a substantial source of nutrients for marine life. Ecological impact of whale carcasses. Whale carcasses, while posing significant challenges when they wash ashore, play a vital role in the marine ecosystem. Known as whale falls, these decomposing bodies provide a rich source of nutrients for deep-sea creatures. When a whale body sinks to the ocean floor, it initiates a complex ecological process that can support a diverse community of organisms for decades. Scientists have studied these whale falls and discovered that they host unique ecosystems comprising species that are not found anywhere else. From scavengers like hagfish and sleeper sharks to specialized bacteria that break down the whale's fat, these ecosystems thrive on the sudden influx of resources. The deep-sea environments where whale falls occur are nutrient-poor, making the arrival of a whale carcass a significant ecological event that boosts biodiversity. Challenges and innovations in whale carcass management. Managing whale carcasses on shorelines continues to pose significant challenges due to their size, potential health hazards, and the logistics of disposal. Innovations in technology and strategy have led to more effective management practices that minimize environmental impact and public safety risks. For example, some regions have implemented specialized equipment to more efficiently cut and remove large whale carcasses. This equipment can handle the sheer size and weight of the whale, reducing the time and manpower needed for disposal. Additionally, authorities now sometimes use satellite tracking to monitor the location of dead whales drifting at sea. This technology helps predict whether a carcass is likely to wash ashore and allows for preemptive action to prevent potential public health hazards. Educating the public in future perspectives. Public education is also a critical component of managing the phenomena of whale falls and explosions. Informing communities about the risks and procedures associated with these natural occurrences can significantly reduce the dangers to public safety. Educational programs and public information campaigns can help people understand why it's essential to keep a safe distance from a beached whale and trust professionals to handle the situation. Looking forward, continued research and collaboration between marine biologists, conservationists, and governmental agencies are essential to improve the strategies for managing whale carcasses. Ongoing studies into the decomposition processes and the ecological impacts of whale falls will likely lead to even more effective and environmentally friendly methods of dealing with these marine giants. As we conclude this video, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the complex interactions between marine life and human activities. Remember, if you ever encounter a beached whale, maintain a safe distance and contact local wildlife authorities immediately. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of one of nature's most astonishing and impactful processes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it enlightening. We look forward to bringing you more insights into the natural world in our upcoming videos. Stay curious and keep exploring.